Hi, check out this quick video guide that walks you through signing up for your PayPal account step by step. Welcome back. Get started on your hassle-free registration journey now. Please note that all the information presented in this video is for educational purposes only. First, let's start by signing up for a PayPal account. Navigate to PayPal by typing PayPal into your search engine and clicking on the first link, or click directly on Sign Up for Free. Once you do so, this homepage will open. Next, continue by clicking on Sign Up located in the top right corner of the homepage, or click Sign Up for Free here. This will open the page where you can select your account type. Here, you'll see two options: Personal Account and Business Account. Personal Account, designed for individuals who primarily use PayPal for online shopping, sending money to friends or family, or handling personal transactions. It offers essential features for managing money, making payments, and receiving funds without the need for advanced business tools. Business Account, tailored for merchants and companies. This account type provides additional features to support business operations. It allows you to accept payments under a company name, manage multiple users, and access detailed reports and advanced payment options, which can be particularly beneficial if you're running an online store or a business. This decision ultimately depends on your needs. You're the best judge of which account type suits your lifestyle or business operations, so choose the one that aligns with your requirements. In this tutorial, we'll continue with a personal account. Simply select the personal account option, then click Continue. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Simply type it into the field. Then click the Next button to continue. Here you'll be prompted to enter your phone number. Type it into the field, then click the Next button. If a pop-up window appears asking for a code, simply enter the code you receive on your phone. It will be confirmed automatically. Otherwise, if you're taken to the password field, it means you'll need to verify your phone number later. Enter your account password in the field using at least 8 characters. Then click the Next button to continue. Now, in this section, you're going to enter your personal information. First, enter your first name and enter your last name. Next, you need to select your ID type. If you prefer to use your passport, just choose Passport and type your passport ID number. If you prefer to use your driver's license, select Driver License and type your driver license ID number. If you prefer to use your national ID, select National ID and write your national ID number. Finally, enter your date of birth. Start by typing the day, then the month, and finally, the year. Make sure all this information matches the details on your selected ID, as you may be asked at any time to submit a copy for verification. Next, click the Next button to continue. In this section, you'll need to enter your address, the same one associated with your bank account or your debit and credit card. The second address field is optional. Enter your postal code here, and then enter in your city. Activate this option to agree to PayPal's terms and conditions. Then click Agree and create account to proceed. Here, it just asks you what you'd like to try first. Just click Not Now. In this section, if you want to link your bank card, enter your debit or credit card number. Your card type will be selected automatically. Then, just enter your expiration date followed by your security code. And click Add Card. It will be added to your account. I'll skip this step. Just click Not Now. This is the homepage you'll see after signing up. Your account has been successfully created, but there's one more step to complete your sign up, is to confirm your email. Simply navigate to your email inbox and look for an email from PayPal to confirm your email. Once you find it, open the email and click on the Confirm My Email Address button. Enter your account password to confirm your email, then click Login. You will see a message confirming that your email has been verified. Click Continue. You've now completed your sign up. If you'd like to further customize your account or dive deeper into PayPal's features, check out my other video tutorial. It covers everything from registration to achieving a fully verified, secure PayPal account, guiding you step by step. If you have any questions about PayPal, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, follow, or subscribe for more tutorials and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for following along and see you in the next video. Peace.